everyone and welcome to my channel. I'm so excited to do this video. My very first video is going to be a bead haul that I purchased from Spoilt Beads. It's a UK website that has a lot of selections, nice quality Czech, miyuki, Toho, silver plated findings, antique bronze. So let's get into it. Okay, so we have some 3mm bigger beads. The brand is Miyuki, and this is a bronze finish. It's a metallic bronze, very pretty. Let's put them back. Okay, and I purchased the bead tray from Beadsmith. If you're interested, I'm gonna leave the link from the Amazon. Let's put them nice. Okay, the next item that we have, it's another tube of bigger beads, and those are gunmetal finish. Let's have a look. I was struggling to open finally. This is how they look like. Let's put them back. Another tube of bigger beads, 3mm, crystal silver lined. They comes in a tube of 7 grams. This is how they look like. Let's put them back. I think I bought 5 tubes of bigger beads in total, different colors of course. Having some projects coming, so I need those colors. We have some transparent teal. I bought a lot of captions from Co-Beads. We're gonna do another haul when the package will arrive. So I bought matching colors because I might need some beads. This is how they look like. So transparent teal. Let's put them back. And the last tube of bigger beads that I bought was spilling on the table. I had to pick them up. So that is silver lined sapphire. Actually, it matches my nails. This one's very pretty. Love this color. Okay, so next we have some 4mm round pearls. Those are Czech pearls. Those yep, silver finish. Look at that, so pretty. You can see the quality. We have another Czech pearls, this time 6mm in the white. Looking so classic, and the shape it's uniform. Next, some 3mm fire polished Czech beads. Those ones comes in a pack of 100, so I bought 4 packs. Silver finished as well. Let's put them back. I thought to make a nice necklace and a bracelet. Next we have some, let's make some space for what's next. Fireline, 6 pounds, and the color is smoke. We have some montee crystals, and this is, I don't remember the color. If I find the label, I'm gonna put it down in the description box. And those are silver plated as well. It comes in a pack of 24 pieces. This one, it's a black diamond. Yep, I think, if I'm not wrong. If I'm wrong, I'm sorry for that. I'll leave the names in the descriptions if I said something wrong. Okay, the next one, 4mm silver plated, blue zircon. I love this color and how eye-catchy is. Look at that, so pretty. Let's put them back. Another pack of montees, and those are amethyst. Let's focus. Alright, I didn't open this one because it has a blue back, so it was hard to open. Sorry for that. Next one, another pack of montees, and those are crystal clear. Look at that sparkle, so pretty. Reminds me of diamonds, real diamonds. We have another bag of montees, and those are sapphire, I think. Let's see. Yes, look at that color. I love this color. One of my favorites. Again, that sparkle, so pretty. It will look very, very nice in on a necklace or a choker. And the last pack of montees, these are jet black. I love the quality, and you can see the quality. They are silver plated, very uniform, delicate. Love this website. How this website has a lot of nice deals. You can have a look if you want. Next we have some round filigree box clasp, and those are antique silver. They comes in a pack of 10, 13 by 9mm. If you have long nails, it's a bit difficult to open or close it, but you'll get there. I think it would be nice to use the tweezers. Okay, next we have an oval silver plated box clasp as well. Next, some silver plated ear hooks. Very pretty. I love this kind of ear hooks. Very secure. Next, some 4 strands slide clasp. Very easy to open and to close it. This one has like rubber stuck on the ends. That's why it took me a bit longer to close, but works very nicely and very secure. Next we have 3 strands. One, okay, let's make some space for the next one. We have some other box clasps, the filigree, and these ones are antique bronze. Love this bronze color. Oval toggle clasp in the gunmetal finish, 16 by 21 millimeters. And this is a S antique copper hook clasp, 21 by 12 millimeters. And that's it. This is my haul for today. I love this website. I'm so happy with my beads. So I hope you come back next time as well. See you. Bye.